Hello and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. We are headed into this summer season of relaxation, spending time outdoors, entertaining, and just enjoying life. I'm sharing with you last season's decor with great anticipation of what's to come. Let's start with the outdoor fireplace. It was an area that needed tender love. I have branches that are throughout the property and I will touch them up from time to time. So it's about 3 years. It's time to respray them, add in a different floral treatment. So this year I'm going to use this green pick. Love it. And why do I use artificial greenery outdoors is because it's hot. I live in a very, very warm climate in the summertime, and I cannot keep enough water so that it's green. So I started this a few years ago, and it's so much easier for me to just get faux floral, put it out. It's green. This will last me 2 or 3 years, and it is absolutely wonderful. Right now, I'm going to add some twinkle lights into these branches. Now, the branches are actually real, but I spray painted them white because I wanted everything to be crisp, and it gives it more of a contemporary, modern feel for the backyard instead of it being woodsy. At night especially, this backyard comes alive, and it is gorgeous. If you do anything, get some of these twinkle lights or light up your backyard. Some of the plans that I have for this season, I'm adding even more lights. These lights are on solar, so there's no batteries. They just come on at night when it gets dusk or dark out, and it's just divine. It is such a relaxing space. You create your own utopia. Absolutely love these. I will definitely leave the link in the description box because these are so inexpensive and so worth placing them in your decor. In the fireplace area, the cushions that you guys see, I've had these for years, and all I do is go and get them recovered when I want to change out the color. And right now I'm changing them to the Kelly green. It's such a vibrant color for an outdoor space, and it just works perfect against all of the white, the gray, and the black accents.
Thoughts and in my dreams. When I'm awake, you're almost next to me. When we're apart, I'm longing for your face. I need you here, I'm feeling out of place. My heart is yours, I'm giving it to you. No matter what, I always will be true. Next time you're here, I'll never let you go. You're everything I ever need and more. So let's flesh attend to flesh, come alive. The earth is crying sweet. Take whatever that you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering.
This is a great shot of the twinkle lights that were installed with the green plants. It just gives the backyard such a fairy tale atmosphere. I love to outdoor dine or to give a day party. It's just the most relaxing environment. The air is fresh, the birds are chirping, and it's just quite wonderful. I am setting up the table for outdoor dining, and it's something that you can do really simple and easy. The placemats are from like my local Home Goods. Here I go again with these gorgeous branches. This branch is a beechwood branch, so I'm keeping that color, that beechwood. I'm not spraying them because it's a contrast with the white, but they're natural, so I'm going to add some type of floral to this. Last year I added the yellow and the purple. The yellow is still going to be one of my themes for this year. I'm carrying that color through. It is so vibrant. It is so alive. If you saw the video for springtime of the dining room, I just recreated this floral treatment in the dining room. So I will link that in the description box. Take a look at it. Wonderful ideas for springtime. This table is absolutely gorgeous. There's so many elements of just natural earth with the sand. I still have room where you can place meals, place hors d'oeuvres in the center of the table if you choose to. Candlelight, this is absolutely gorgeous. There's so many candles on the table, it just illuminates on the face, and eating outside at night by candlelight, it's absolutely wonderful. Getting to this patio area was so much fun. Decided to change the patio area and make it an outdoor living room. And it was just organic the way that it came together. The globes that I'm placing right now, I've had so many questions about them. I picked them up at a local floral store maybe about 3 to 5 years ago, and I just kept them. I didn't know for sure how I would utilize them, but I decided to place them on my patio. Originally, I bought them for possibly to use with a client, but they were just wonderful. I decided to keep them in the natural rattan color because I knew I had the white and the green coming, and that contrast would be gorgeous. This furniture is quite old, not really sure how many years, but oftentimes what I'll do is I'll switch out the cushions covers. So not necessarily the cushion unless it's in bad condition, but I will switch out the covers. For this look, I'm switching out the cushion covers to a white. As you can see, I'm just placing the white over the existing original cushion cover, and the white is machine washable. It's a cotton. What I typically do, I know you guys have asked me a lot, I'm not purchasing these. You can just take your cushion cover to a local upholstery shop or a tailor shop and ask them to make you new cushions with the fabric. It's not difficult. They will do it. Sometimes it can be a little pricey, so you may want to shop around a little bit. It gives me the variety that I need year to year, still utilizing the same furniture. The reveal turned out amazing. My main colors are the white, a little bit of the green, and then black and white. I am incorporating black and white to a whole nother level for the backyard. Mixing the patterns, mixing the colors, and it just gives it so much interest and contrast. It looks amazing. Check out the fire pit. I will leave a link of this. It's from Best Choice. It works for me because the fire pit gives a lot of heat at night and it has a surrounding table edge so you can place drinks, appetizers. Enjoy the video. Make your outdoor space amazing. Make it a space that is your own utopia.
Remember when we went to Hollywood? We did stuff that we never thought we would. Backstage parties, drinks and limousines, yeah. I told you that I loved you, then you said that you love me. Let's not put a label on it, 'cause you call it what you want. Yeah, you call it what you want. A lot of good things that are coming, so let's call it what we want. Yeah, we call it what we want. First time in my car, after drinking with our best friends at the bar. Late night walks and smokes on balconies. Told you that I loved you, then you said that you love me. Let's not put a label on it, 'cause you call it what you want. Yeah, we call it what we want.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.